With the UPA disintegrating, various parties across the country are trying to forge combinations that will propel them to power. The kingmakers of 2014 are closing ranks, and this time the charge is being led by Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. With the UPA wobbling, the kingmakers of 2014 are closing ranks, and this time the charge is being led by Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Nitish seems to have already got a yes from Mulayam Singh, whose prime ministerial ambitions are never really hidden.
पुराना जो जनता दल परिवार है, उसके कई दल भी आपस में बातचीत कर रहे हैं और वो हो सकता है कि वो आपस में फेडरेट करें। हम मर्जर की बात नहीं कर रहे, एक साथ मिल करके अपने अपने राज्यों में वो काम करें और उसका भी कुछ हो सकता है।
आपको याद होगा कि दिल्ली के ताल कटोरा स्टेडियम में 17 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की एक मीटिंग हुई कुछ दिनों पहले। उसमें मुलायम सिंह जी, नीतीश जी, प्रकाश करात से लेके देवगौड़ा और बहुत सारे लोग थे। वो जो मीटिंग थी वो तीसरे मोर्चे की चुनाव के बाद जो आगाज होता है, चुनाव के बाद जो बनना है उसका आगाज था। तो अगर नीतीश जी ने ये कहा है तो उसमें कोई गलत बात तो नहीं कही।
Nitish's JDU has approached the Samajwadi Party and the BJD to make a federal front to help each other in each state.
This is regarding the breakaway groups, different groups of Janata Dal, Samajwadi Party, Janata Dal United and Janata Dal S. They have almost agreed to make one federal front, maintaining their separate organizational identity and helping each other in each state, the federal party members.
With the UPA disintegrating, various parties across the country are trying very hard to forge permutations, combinations that will propel them to power come 2014. The kingmakers of 2014s are closing ranks, and right behind me, the JDU leading from the front. Nitish Kumar leading from the front. The other one who could band together is JDS. The other parties that could come together as this federal front would be BJD, the Naveen Patnaik government from Odisha, the SP or the BSP. One of the two from the Uttar Pradesh could come into this front. The left or TMC when we are talking about the West Bengal. And AIDMK, it's Amma or DMK. One of them will join the ranks. NC or the PDP also, a lot will depend whether the NC sticks with the Congress in 2014 or not. And of course the NCP, which till now continues its political posturing where the Congress is concerned. The INLD could very well be part of the federal front. Moreover, the Republican Party of India, the smaller players also coming in. Assam Gana Parishad from Assam, they don't have much representation, but only one single representation where the parliament is concerned, and of course the Jharkhand Vikas Morcha could also band together. So the People's Party of Punjab could be another party which could join this newly formed federal front. There are talks of that, of course, leading from the front of that is the JD.